This Philly cheesesteak pizza's good.
I know. I like it.
You like it? You know what the funnier thing is? We're eating this while we're watching CSI while they tear somebody's heart out to study it.
Ew.
And it kind of reminds me of the texture of the Philly cheesesteak. Well, I'm not supposed to gross you out or nothing. What the heck was that?
A sneeze?
A sneeze.
Yes.
You call that a sneeze?
I'm a girl.
You ain't. A sneeze! That's a weird sneeze for you to have. Well, speaking of sneezes.
What?
Did you know that if you sneeze with your eyes open, like this, your heart explodes?
Nuh-uh. I don't believe you.
They should have taught you this in nursing school. Hang on.
Oscar? I guess he's right. I guess he won't be needing this anymore.